Okay, this is a 4Runner guy. So I reset my ECU. Just put the new one in here. This is the old one. This and I reset right now. Put the key on. The car flashing for 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes. And right now, try to take it out and see what happened. Okay, here how I reset. I put the two number right here, number 4. Right here, number 4 right there. And on top, it's number 13. All right. Pin number 4 and 13. You see the upside down, number 4 at the bottom, and 13 on the top. And take it flashing and reset and put flashing like this for 30 minutes. Right now, almost on right now. Like 32 minutes already. So I like it 35 and let's see what's going on. It's flashing, that's good. Okay, right now it's 123. I take it out. When I remove the jumper right here, down here, and I take out the turn it off and take it out and start again. See what happens. It's flashing right now, guy. Wait for 2 more minutes to be sure. All right. I just remove the pin. And start the engine. See it work or not. Okay, let's see. Yep. Work right now, see? Before cannot start. Right now, starting right now. Okay, all right, that's good, guy. Just how to reset the ECU.